We have our statement list. Okay. On the statements, right, this is if we've come in here and created statements, right? And here are all the statements that we have created, right? We can look at our print preview in here to see what it looks like. So Craig's Design, here's Amy's Bird Sanctuary, that's my customer. Here's the statement. Statement has a number. That is something that's different than QuickBooks Desktop also. And then it has all the details that we have set up in there. Okay. So in this file, it looks like, oh, there's our statement list. So we created these statements. So I could go in and open up the Red Rock Diner statement, a little bit different. But these are all the statements. Then we can customize it. We can group it by customer, day, week, month, quarter, year. We can change some columns, not a lot of columns, right? Create a date, last modified, email. Customer email would be good on that maybe. We can filter by customers, and we can also filter by statement dates, right? So I just created one today. I can say, show me all the statements that were created last month. Okay. Cool report. Also neat to know, if you didn't know, that statements have numbers. We get that a lot of times. We'll get that like in pool companies as an example. They go out and they service a customer every week. They create an invoice every week, but the customer just wants one statement a month to pay off of. We get, let's think about it, like sometimes for our supply houses that we work with. Now, we don't always recommend running inventory in QuickBooks Online, especially for something large like a supply house, but situation exists. Supply house, somebody wants to go in and buy a whole bunch of things on account, and they just give them one. Oh, we did have one. It's a major paint distributor, major paint brand, and they had trucks that they would go on site, and they'd go to all the different job sites, you know, for where they're building homes, and they would put the paint on the invoice, and they wanted to be able to send out a statement at the end of the week, month, whatever. We also had somebody who did that for shoes for workers. That was a cool one. Shoes for people on job sites. They'd go around and they'd sell shoes. Pretty cool. Very convenient. Okay, so statement list is a big one.